Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. Today I am going to do reading for Taurus, Gemini and Aries for the month of October 2020. The timestamp will be given below in the description box. Please do check it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support and let's start the reading. Hello Gemini, this is your reading for the month of October 2020. So let's start your reading. What I feel is you're waiting for the right time to move towards an individual or express your emotion towards an individual here. In the month of October, I see you just thinking and waiting for an individual and compressing your feeling within you. And you feel it's right to do that in the month of October. You feel it's not the right time to tell them how do you feel or to move towards them. So let's start. The first card you got is Queen of Cups. You do have a lot of emotion and you know this is the one for you. Queen of Cups energy tells that Queen knows that what she needs in her life. You can be a male or female, but you are embodying this energy. So you know that this is a person for you, and you know that compressing your feeling or hiding your feeling is the right thing here. It's the right thing here. Nine of Swords. So I see you very stressed about this. You may be keeping yourself within you. And you may be thinking, in the month of October, I see you only thinking about a situation that whether to express or not. You're confused. You're overthinking a situation here. Page of Wands. I see you wanting to take action towards them. But I see you that you're just waiting. You're just waiting. I don't see you taking action, just waiting for the right time. You have a lot of passion also towards them. Lady of Wands, which talks that this can be you or them. It can be anyone. I am reading it as your energy. You may be an individual where you're strong enough, you feel like you don't need anyone, right? You feel very strong yourself. Plus, it's also like everyone around you may be inspired about you, may be drawn towards you. So you may be a mature person here, where everyone are admiring you here. That's what I see here. The month of October. King of Cups. So it can be this energy, I'm reading it as the other person's energy here because I feel like it's not yours. I feel like this person, whoever it is, can be a water sign. This person is thinking about you a lot, have a lot of emotion, but I don't see them, even they are not expressing that emotion here. You got Two of Wands. You're waiting for the right time, right moment to move forward. For some people, it can be a decision between two people, a water sign and a fire sign. Three of Swords. So I see you that you're heartbroken here because I don't see you making a decision regarding moving forward towards them. So I see you in the pain. Maybe you have hurt by the past, or a person you have dealt with. So you're not wanting to have same pain or have a same experience with this individual. So you're waiting for the right time or to get a clarity that whether it's right to go and whether it is safe to express your feeling. Justice. You're waiting that whether to let them in your life or whether to not Express the feeling and move on. Whether to tell them or whether to move on. You're wanting whatever decision you take, you're wanting it to be right. So you're waiting. The next card is the Strength. It's all about hidden energy, hidden feelings, everything. So I see you hiding so many things within you, due to which you're not getting clarity here. That's what I see. Overall energy I got is Magician. This is your card. So it's all about manifesting a person into your life. So it's all about, you have a tools, everything. You know what you want, but you're waiting for the right time to manifest a person. Whatever you're manifesting into your life, you're taking control of that. So it's like you want to take control of this manifestation. You don't want to do wrong decision. Whatever you take a decision, it should be right. That's what you're thinking about. You know this is the one, right? You know this is the one, and you're wanting to rush towards them and wanting to make things right. You have an idea of rushing things towards them. But someone here who was patient, I don't see them being patient no more. They are lacking patience, and I see them being very arrogant, and they're coming towards you, or you're moving towards them. You're fearing. You're fearing of something due to which you're stressed, you're not expressing here. So it's all about hidden thing. So unless you express or anything, or ask advice from your friends or family members, I see that this situation is not going to get resolved here. You wanting to take action towards them, maybe a Taurus for some. You wanting to take action, you have a passion towards them, plus you wanting a commitment with them. You may be acting single, independent, because you're juggling here. You're juggling here and you don't want a situation to stop you from anything. So I see you doing your work and being strong here. If this is your person, or if it's you, someone is holding back here due to past hurts or past breakups. So someone is holding back. They're not expressing the feelings. It can be you also. For some, it can be third party, I told, right? For them, this resonates. You're waiting for the right chance to end something and move towards someone here. For some, it is like that. For others, it is like you wanting to end some kind of past thing and move towards this person. It can be a hurt, past baggage, or anything it can be. Due to hurt or some kind of a lesson you have learned in the past, you have grown into a Empress, who is a confident, independent, who doesn't need anyone. Everyone are attracted towards this individual here. So this Empress is looking at the pain here, doesn't want to go to that past thing. So you're waiting and to make a right decision here. You're waiting something to happen right towards you, or something which is favored towards you. You're waiting for that. You're waiting for the clarity because you're stuck here, whether to cut the person out of your life or to go and express them, or wanting a commitment with them. That's what I see here. So waiting for the right time, and I see you getting a justice there, because you may get clarity in the month of October. You may be overthinking things, or you may be stuck in the past year, due to which you're not expressing your feeling here. You're afraid that the person you're going to deal with may backstab you or may hurt you, so you're not moving towards them. That's what I have. You may be dealing with Leo, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Gemini, Pisces. Thank you, Gemini. Hello, Taurus. This is your reading for the month of October 2020. So let's start your reading. In the cards, I see that something has ended in your life and you're wanting to restart that situation again, or a commitment again. Wanting to reevaluate in your life again. So I see you that you're wanting to put effort or work regarding a situation here, but you're thinking or waiting for the right time to move towards that energy or a person. The first card I got is the World. World talks about endings, completion of cycles. So something has ended in the past, a cycle with an individual here, but you're wanting to reinvest in a situation here. You're wanting to put efforts and you're wanting to reevaluate the situation or commitment in your life again. I see in the month of October you're not going to put work. Instead, I see you walking away from a situation emotionally. Emotionally, I don't see you putting any kind of effort or anything in a situation here. You have a lot of love, emotions towards an individual. For some, it can be a new person, but I see it's a past you've already dealt with. So I see you having a lot of emotion towards them, but I don't see you expressing that. You're not happy about the ending that took place between you both. You're not able to accept that there was an ending between you both. So I see you stepping back, just taking time to analyze the situation and thinking how to make it right between you both. You're waiting for the right time. You're waiting for the right time to make things work here. But I don't see you putting any kind of effort in the month of October. You got Three of Swords. You may be hurt. You may have not realized that there will be ending between you both, but you're still hurt. I don't see in the month of October you are healed from a situation here. I see you still feeling the pain and feeling the ending between you both. The last card is Five of Swords. You may be felt defeated in a situation. So I don't see you putting any kind of a work into this because you're stressed. You're no more feeling in any kind of strength to move forward with them, to express your emotion. Overall energy I got is Nine of Swords, which talks that you're very stressed regarding a person here in the month of October. I see you. Too much you're thinking about this individual and thinking how can you work out with them. Let me clarify. It's like in the month of October you may be acting like this situation is not affecting me. I don't care about them. You may be thinking like that, and you may be concentrating on your work or other things which can help you to avoid this situation here. So I see you putting attention towards other work, other things, so that you can forget the pain, everything. But at the night or at some point of time, I see you again coming to this energy of realizing that you should have not lost them, and realizing that you're wanting a new start again with them and having a reunion with them. There's an ending. I see you moving towards that, but slowly. But I don't see you taking a risk here, but instead you're going slowly towards them. I don't think the opposite individual may be knowing that you're coming towards them or you are interested with them. You see them as the happiness, you see them as the one, but even though you see them as the one, I don't see you taking any action in the month of October. But you know deep inside that they are the one for you, they make you very happy, and you're wanting to invest that. Some people you may be messaging them in the online. For some, it can be like you are in the speaking terms, but not much like how you used to speak before. You're wanting a union with them. You feel a strong connection, but emotionally you may have walked away, or you may be trying to distance yourself from them. Distance yourself. But still, even though if you try to distance yourself, I see you having emotions here where you can't go away from that. Eight of Wands. In the month of October, I see you communicating your emotions for some. Maybe expressing your emotions or wanting to take action towards an emotion you have towards them. But I see you, even though you're trying to express the emotion, you're not expressing fully, completely how you feel. You may be in a speaking terms, but you may not be expressing your emotion much. You're not able to accept that what I told you, that you're not able to accept it, that something has ended in your life. So you're just back and forth, that whether it is ended or not, whether I have chance to make it right with them. So you're thinking about that. You may be thinking about a commitment with them. So thinking that whether it's right to offer them a commitment for the long term. You may be waiting for them or a right time to express your feeling and offer a commitment, but by the time while you're waiting for them, I see you being very guarded, being very harsh towards them, or being distant towards them, showing that you're not interested towards them. This can be an energy where you don't know that you are showing that corner of your thing, right? You may be thinking, right, no, I'm not avoiding them, I'm not distancing them, but without knowing that you're doing. The good news is, this is not a good news, but the good news is the pain, whatever you have faced, there will be some kind of a justice. Okay, something is going to happen which is on your favor. Bottom of the deck, I have the Star, the wish fulfillment. You're wanting this commitment, it will happen. So no need to worry. Five of Swords for Taurus. Yeah, that's what I told. You may be stressed, you may be not having strength to take chance towards them, due to which you may be acting like you don't care about them, plus you may be acting like it doesn't matter whatever they tell or do to you, right? You'll be acting like that, or you may be ignoring them. There's an offer there for you, but you're acting like you're not interested towards them. You may be dealing with Libra, Pisces, Leo. It can be any sign. Thank you, Taurus. Hello Aries, this is your October month reading. So let's start your reading. In the month of October, I see you ending a cycle or a connection with an individual here. I see you holding back from an individual, not expressing the feeling, as you wanting a clarity about a connection or an individual. The first card you got is Ace of Swords, which talks about a clarity. So I see in the month of October, you are getting a clarity regarding a connection. As soon as you get your clarity, I see you being in your power. This is your card, just being in your power. And just knowing what to do as soon as you get the clarity. Knowing what is right to do as soon as you get the clarity. As you may have asked your friends or relatives regarding a situation. You may have asked help or guidance or an advice from others, for some of them. And I see you getting a balance. As soon as you have a clarity what to do, I see you getting a balance within you. I see you in the past, I think so in the month of September, I see you may have moved forward towards them slowly and showed a bit of emotions or a caring towards them. But I see in the month of October, being stagnant, no more you're moving forward towards them. You're not happy whatever happened between you both in the past, plus you're not feeling good to live this connection, but you feel like it is right or correct to cut the connection. You got 10 of Swords. Tens are all about endings. So I see you ending a cycle with them. You may have felt backstabbed, or you may have felt that they have betrayed you, or you may have betrayed them. You got Justice. So there's some kind of a karmic lesson or something you have to learn from this connection or a situation here. So it's all about you getting a clarity and learning a lesson from this connection and moving forward. Whatever this transformation is taking place, it's going to bring lots of pain, but I see you moving forward. Plus, I see you that for some of them, it can be a third party situation where your person may be involved with other person or you may be involved with other. So this can also be a reason for some. End of the card, there's some kind of a message or something, hidden thing which you can expect for the month of October. I'm gonna clarify each card and tell what is this hidden thing here. Overall energy, I got 10 of Pentacles. It's all about stability, long-term goal. It's all about gaining stability in your life. So let me clarify. Wheel of Fortune. It's all about a second chance. It's all about wheel turning your favor. Wheel of Fortune talks about luck. So it's all about this connection. The commitment may turn into or it may lead into an opportunity regarding a long-term thing. So you may feel like leaving a connection or a situation has brought you some kind of a stability plus luck on your side. For some people, you may be married, or this person may be married. So for some, I'm getting a story that the person you're dealing with may be already married or may be in a commitment or a connection with an individual. So you may get the truth regarding that for some. For others, maybe you are in a commitment and you're cutting off a third party person in your life. Someone may have betrayed you or left you in the cold. So due to which I see you being in power, just realizing the situation or connection is not meant to be. You may be juggling between two people for some. For others, you may be juggling whether to stay in this connection or to move on. So I see you getting a balance in the month of October and feeling independent and feeling good within you and realizing that whatever happens, it happens for the right thing. It's all about, this card speaks about wish fulfillment. It's all about luck on your side. As soon as some kind of a secret or something comes out, I see you being stagnant, no more moving forward towards them. Because you're already tired, you're no more giving any energy towards a connection. You may realize that something is hidden in the month of October. You may expect a person coming your way, offering a cup of love, but I see you're not accepting. In case if it's like you're dealing with two people, then I see you taking a cup of love and moving towards an individual whom you're committed with. I see you moving towards them because you're not happy about whatever happened regarding a past situation. You may have felt stuck in a connection or a person, but finally I see you ending a connection. Most often you may be listening to your intuition. It's all about you getting a justice in the month of October and getting a spiritual growth within you. This commitment or a person or the situation might have brought a lot of pain, a lot of hurt in the past, but I see you getting a clarity and getting a spiritual growth and realization regarding your life. And knowing that whatever happens, it happens for the right thing. Let's see what is this page of coin, what is this message about. As soon as you're gonna end this whole thing, there's going to be a balance within you, a peace. There's going to be a certain opportunity will be produced in the month of October as soon as you release all kind of a burden, pain or a third party situation here. So it will be full of balance, prosperity and abundance in your life. You may be dealing with Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Libra, Aries, Sagittarius, Libra, Leo, Pisces. That's what I have for you, Aries. Thank you.